Kumusta ka bali yung kontaga mga dalo ladsari agagik ira TTMKA Shock si Rosalie Aquino TTMKA Idol entry number 18. Itar ko'y pasasalamat ko si Kayura agagi na itar na suporta tan tiwala isan kakaroon ko palamot kumun agagi ira na suporta anak na mer. Minsan kumun nagustuhan niyo yung entry na imprepara para si kayo. She was driving last Friday on the way to Cincinnati in the snow-white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby on the backseat. 50 miles to go, she was running low, feet with gasoline. It's been a long, hard year. She had a lot on her mind, but she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew, she was spinning on a thin black sheet of glass. She stopped, both the light flashed before her eyes. She didn't have time to cry. She was so scared. Threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance, save me from this road I've owned. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting colder and she moved too short when the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby on the backseat sleeping like a rock. For the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. You know I've got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus,